Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. The topic that is about we need to prove this equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by sin x. This one by cosine x. Now we have the formula in here. Sin s square plus cosine s square equals to number 1. So we have 1 minus sin s square. So I will put this one go to the right. And we have cosine s square equals to 1 minus sin s square. And the second one, we have 1 minus cosine s square. So I will put cosine s square go to the right. And now we have sin s square equals to 1 minus cosine s square. So this one we change by cosine s square. And this one we change by sin s square. Now we need to simplify sin s cosine s, and we just have only cosine s over sin s, and that is about cotx s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.